So I thought I would demonstrate to you how the new feature I added here for roles works. So you scroll down here, you see at the bottom, well, let me first show you roles. Okay, here's where you can create new roles. So this is under members and then manage roles. So this is where you can create roles. Over here in the right hand side is where the custom roles are displayed, and these are custom roles that are related to our community or our region or our business. Okay, so we come in here, let's see, manage roles. So if I scroll at the bottom, I created these. Well, this section here are the capabilities or the permissions. Okay, and you can do a search here. I can look for users, and then I can assign that to a person. So say, for example, I create a role and I put that role name there. I put the slug there, which is a short name, and then I put the full name here. And then I check off these things and then hit create the role, and it creates the role. So down here I have a feature for you to import and export roles, right? So you can download these to make your own, and then you can export a regular CSV. Over here you could then, after you've filled everything in, you can and I will recommend, I'll put some help in here, but I will recommend that you go to the documentation to read up on these, how the roles work, and then that way you can choose what roles apply to what position in your organization. And so then you can make a CSV, and then you can choose it and then import it into the system, and it will automatically add itself to this list, so you can uninstall it. Now these down here are separate role packs that are available, and I installed all 4 of them, and then they'll show up down here. When you install the packs, they will automatically add roles to your list. Okay, so when you install the plugin or install the plugin pack into your WordPress environment, it will install those roles, and then you will have to go in. I'll show you. So for example, if I install this business roles here, boom, so it's installed. So here are all the roles over here. You got your business owner, operation manager, department manager, HR, your lead team, accountant, employee, contractor. And so it says here that the plugin is installed, right? And here's the uninstall button if you want to remove it. Up here in the top, it says here that 8 roles were installed. And if I click edit, it'll bring the business owner over here, and you'll see all of the roles or all the permissions that they have on the various stuff. So this is the BK. BK is my custom abbreviation for Bill King. So I know that this is one of my permissions on one of my custom modules, which is the office, the church office, or the office. I got to figure out which one I enable. I think I enabled the church office, and so inside of there is the ability to manage accounting. Same thing with managing reports, view forms. So these make sense as different permissions that people have on different things. And so, yeah, by pressing edit here, shows up over here, I can add more capabilities, right? If I want to reset a person's capabilities and start over, say for example I go to this contractor, he has 4 capabilities, and so if I want to reset it, see it says 4 of 106, I can hit reset here, get a warning, and capabilities are 0. Scroll down, and it says 4, so I gotta tell my team they gotta fix that. And so if I look in here, I should see none of these capabilities checked off, and there we go, none of them are checked off. However, this this number here is off. So that's the new feature that I've added to the website, and hopefully that will inspire you to use this tool for your business, whether it's a nonprofit or a for-profit business or online school. I could do one for a meetup as well. I can install the meetup plugin, and you'll be able to see that, and it creates meetup groups and people that are in charge. And then you can use this community plugin to create a meetup groups, and where people can meet and socialize, and you have your own inside of your church. All right.